Okay, this is my retro wallpaper. I'm using this, and I'm using old issues of the Saturday Evening Post. I got a stack of these things, and they were in good shape, and I really hated to have them go to waste, so I'm cutting out all the advertisements and making like a retro wallpaper out of them. So I'm not 100% done yet. I still have a little bit left to do. I'm gonna go basically floor to ceiling, and this is in the shop, so this isn't, if it doesn't turn out perfect, who cares? And I noticed there's a lot of car themed advertisements, so cars and tools. I went with everything: cars, tools, travel, appliances, you name it. But I just thought it would be a really fun, kind of goofy thing, and I don't know, it certainly makes the place look a lot different. So, and I really enjoy reading these old advertisements. I think it's fantastic. Anyway, super easy. Just cut it out. Use that Mod Podge stuff. It dries clear. It's water-based. There's no solvents or chemical smells to it. And just apply it with the brush, and it seems to work okay.